Hello, good morning. Today I am going to start a new chapter in different parts. Topic is explanation of rubric. Without knowledge of proper meaning or explanation of rubric, I am unable to use during repertorization proper word or rubric. So rubric formation is also difficult work because we collect symptoms signed from patients in patient's language as well as in form of pathological or radiological or clinical data. So first we try to convert patient's language into English, and this English language into language of materia medica. After that, rubric formation or process of formation of rubric is starts. So in our materia medica or repertory, a rubric is a condensed word which includes a long or extra or large or biggest meaning. So we try to explain few rubrics today. First is एंजाइटी और चिंता और व्याकुलता. एंजाइटी और चिंता और व्याकुलता इज इमोशनल कंडीशन और मेंटल एजिटेशन caused due to certain things in which there is a state of uncertainty about the future, or it is a state of being uneasy about what may happen. This all included in chinta, like observing other with sad, early traumatic events, parenting style, isolated upbringing, brain structure, social expectation, genetic disorder, etc. नेक्स्ट इज अर्डेंट. अर्डेंट और इन हिंदी उत्साही, उत्साह से भरा हुआ, फुल ऑफ करेज. इट मीन्स वार्मथ ऑफ पैशन और फीलिंग. ए मैन शोइंग eagerness with enthusiasm which is not fitting with situation. Affection. So different word used in repertory related to affection, affecting, affectionate, etc. So affection, warm, healthy or kindly feeling for someone which is very close to him or others when come in contact, love, etc. स्नेही, स्नेहीजन, प्रिय, प्रेमी. Affectation. Affectation, unnecessary show which is not natural or genuine, artificial behavior to improve others. This is especially seen in cases of young girl or proud, haughty or arrogant character or pretentious display. Next is affectionate. Love me as warmly or kindly feeling for loving food, loving found, etc. Admonition. It means kind reproof or advice for betterment. Example, warning to correct some fault through mild criticism or rebuke of superior subject. audacity means during boldness executed by a spirit. During boldness executed by a spirit, a man showing impudent in a wrong place. Abstraction, thinking or behaving anything which is not related to the fact around him, means work or thinking which have no any result or fruitless. Absent-minded or confused. Haphazard thought means habitually forgetful, for which loose thought as not to pay attention to what is going on around him, lose remembrance about. Absorbed, whole occupation of mind is indexed by certain thoughtful events. Whole occupation of mind is indexed by certain thoughtful events. Example, buried or engrossed with certain thought, or withdraw his attention fully, for which there is no reaction of facts around him or her. Anguish, suffering from grief or excessive pain, either bodily or mentally. Example, a man is in extent suffering, struggling virulently. Brooding or budbudana. Brooding incubates on mournful affairs, very much contracted concerning sorrowful matter. Buffoonery means practice of a button, e.g., he is jesting in a vulgar or ludicrous memes. Complaining, action to express grief, pain, censures, to murmur a sense of injury. Example, to make a mournful sound, to be ill, to complain, a sore throat. Childish, silly, trifling, foolish behavior. Example, a well-reputed man behaves like a child. Delusion, it is a false or erroneous belief in something which is not a fact. It is not harmony with his education and social behavior, and cannot be corrected by any kind of logic, reasoning, argument. Excitement, to feel strongly, being provoked by news or person without suspension. Eccentricity, it means oddness, that is singularity of conduct. Example, a subject behaving in a peculiar manner which is not conventional, otherwise he is normal. Envy, desire to have something which some other person know or very close to him, her causes. Bitter contemplation of another's success. Fear, emotional condition or mental agitation caused due to any material thing in the form of danger, evil, pain, etc. Fastidious, over nice, affecting the superior taste. that is, a subject hard, difficult to please with mere good. Hallucination. It is an erroneous sense of perception without any external object or stimulus to produce it. It may affect any or all the special senses, as also cutaneous sensation. Hallucination of hearing and sight is common. That is, imagine rat and mice crawling in bed may hear some sound in a room although there is none. And illusion. An illusion is a false interpretation by the sense of an external object or stimulus. A insane man can correct this by closing observation. An insane man cannot do so. That is, strings seems to be a snake. A stem of tree in dark seems to be a ghost. So, three word illusion, delusion and hallucination is generally asked in oral examination as well as in comparative evaluation, and 1 or 2 marks also in theory examination. Indignation, disgraceful, noteworthy, that is, subject showing anger excited by misconduct, injustice, weakness. Instability, want of steadiness, fitness, that is, a man showing fickleness and inconstancy in something important. Jealousy, desire not to lose anything or lose anything, watchfully tenacious of rivalry in affection. Resentful, that is, show or feel indignation at. Lamenting, expressing grief by crying or weeping or by shedding tears. Asu bahana, shedding tears, which is conventionally used in death to express displeasure caused mainly by some other person or expression of grief caused from disease or some other natural causes. Malicious, active ill will and desire to make harm without any obvious cause or interest. Moaning, audible expression of pain or grief, that is, a low mournful sound is emitted during pain. Modification, act of modifying or state of being modified, result of alteration or change. Mortification, act of mortifying or state of being modified, that is, a bringing under of the passion and appetites by a severe or a strict manner of living. Sadness, it is a kind of mental depression, dull or mental depression, full of sorrow and mournful within a heart. Slander, malicious defamation by words spoken, that is, a man gives false statement which damages person's reputation. Sobbing, weeping with convulsive catching of breath, especially in weeping due to contraction of diaphragm. accompanied by closure of glottis, preventing to entry of air in lungs. A screaming to cry out with a shrill cry as a fear of pain is that is a sudden and uncontrollable piercing cry due to pain or merriment or terror or fear, etc. So this is about explanation of some rubric which is used in repertory. In next video, I try to explain or other rubrics. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.